your Q950A Samsung soundbar subwoofer is not giving you a boomy bass.
Ang tawag dito is Emeline Briar Lane Kilted.
Buy this smartwatch. So you're not enjoying the low frequency effect on your subwoofer. So there's a tips and tricks there. All you have to do is place it in a corner like this. It's a 90-degree corner, right? It has a bigger space over there, and then it will create a bigger, heavy or boomy bass or boomy sound. And then also it will act like you put your subwoofer baffle in a bigger baffle. Don't put your subwoofer in a tight space, especially if it is in between your couch, because it's soft or it's a cushion. Remember your subwoofer, the Q950A subwoofer is kind of tight. This is 8 inches subwoofer speaker. Let me show you some music example on this subwoofer. So let me demonstrate to you the sound. So let's go to volume 15. I'm going to demonstrate the movie, but I'm gonna blur the screen so that we're not gonna violate the copyright.
Sorry, pal.
So that's how you place or set your subwoofer in the right corner with a hard wall and a bigger space there, and it will create heavy bass or boomy bass, and you will enjoy the low frequency when you're watching movie or you're listening to the music. That's the tips and tricks for your subwoofer for your Q950A Samsung Dolby Atmos DTSX soundbar. I hope you like these tips and tricks. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video.